Hi, welcome back. Welcome to this forecourt film for this absolutely beautiful 2018 Porsche Macan S. This is the 3-litre turbocharged petrol engine. Absolutely beautiful condition with some fantastic specification items on the car as well. But yeah, looking absolutely beautiful in black. We have the upgraded alloy wheels here at the front that you'll see. All of these are unmarked. Sorry, all the way around rather than just at the front. Yeah, all unmarked and all in very good condition with excellent tyres as well. Coming down the driver's side, no dents or marks or anything like that to point out to you. The car has done 58,000 miles, so there will obviously just be some kind of age and mileage related wear, mainly just sort of light stone chips and things like that to the front. And certainly nothing excessive, but obviously you would expect to see a few bits and pieces on the car. But overall presents absolutely beautifully. No damage to the front area at all. Again, another perfect wheel here on the side. All mirror housing and everything like that, all in good condition. And coming down the left hand side, again, all very, very nice. Round to the back, there is a very, very small dent, if you like, just in the plastic bumper there. Quite difficult to see, obviously you have to go quite close in, but again, just wanted to point that out. It's literally just there. But the rest of it all in very nice condition indeed. I really love these, the Sport Design 21-inch wheels. Really, really good design on those. Electric tailgate on the back. Parcel shelf in place. Previous owner also had a load liner in the back as well, just to protect everything. But again, all in very, very nice condition. Quite a cool option on this one is the electric towbar, which will come down from the back. Absolutely brilliant for putting like a bike rack on or something like that, or if you do have a small trailer. I'm sure it's quite capable of towing caravans and things like that, if that's something you wanted to do. This has actually been unused by the previous owner. He hasn't used it at all. But that's quite nice. You don't have to get yourself mucky by fitting it. So that's just straight onto the back there, and then just press the button again, and that will start disappearing. Press the button there to close the boot down. Obviously, being the S, it's where you've got the nice twin exhausts on the back. Sounds absolutely fantastic, this car. Really, really love this engine. Through to the back, absolutely beautiful Agate grey leather. Fantastic condition. Back seats barely look like they've been sat in. There's no kick marks or anything like that to the backs of the seats. All absolutely beautiful. Headlining all unmarked. And then you've got the lovely leather topped aspects there on the tops of the doors, leather stitch all continuing through their inlays as well. Through to the front, electrically adjusted seats with memory as well. So you've got the memory buttons there on the side. They're actually for the driver and passenger. And this is the darker walnut wood, which looks really fantastic. Hardly any wear to the bolster there. All the kick plates and everything like that in fantastic condition as well. Yeah, really, really lovely. As I mentioned, mileage just coming up to 58,000 miles, 57,974. And you get that wonderful sound from the exhaust. We have a reversing camera built into the main screen up on here with guidance lines as well, and then we also have the full PCM navigation, Bluetooth audio streaming, DAB digital radio as well. It's all a touchscreen interface that we can see up on here. Very, very nice and easy to use, takes full postcodes and everything like that as well. Down to the center console, we have the climate control settings here for the passenger, climate control settings here for the driver, and additional things for the air conditioning and everything up there as well. And then moving down, heated seats for the front, and then we have the sport button, which will change a couple of different things in terms of the engine sound, and also the gearing and everything like that as well. And then you can actually put it into full sport mode, with the adaptive suspension that changes the damper control and everything like that as well. You've got on and off road buttons, automatic stop start for when you're in traffic, and traction control down there as well. But as you can see, all in lovely condition, no scratches or marks or anything like that anywhere at all. I've got books and manuals, and then down here connections for your entertainment devices. Yeah, absolutely beautifully finished all the way throughout. Multifunction steering wheel. This also controls the onboard computer that we can see up on here. So we've got a little bit of sunlight coming through. Let's try and get that blocked out. So we can go in and change all the settings and things like that on here, as well as being able to look at all of the service information. Next service is due in oil change and interim service in 2026, and then a major service in 2027. So absolutely nothing for the new owner to do anytime soon. It's all been very well looked after, both mechanically and cosmetically. And there you go. Really, really lovely inside. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If we can help with any further information, if you require any finance figures or you have a part exchange to value, then please do let us know through our website, which is jajarvis.co.uk. We're more than happy to help, and would love to be able to show you the car in person. Thank you very much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.